Everyone has an inner voice. It is that quiet, steady presence inside your mind that talks to you throughout the day. Sometimes it guides you, sometimes it questions you, and sometimes it even doubts you. Understanding your inner voice is very important because it influences your decisions, your feelings, and how you see the world. Your inner voice is often called self-talk. It is the way you talk to yourself silently. This self-talk can be positive or negative. Positive self-talk helps you feel confident, motivated, and calm. Negative self-talk can cause stress, fear, and doubt. To understand your inner voice, first, pay attention to what it says. Listen carefully to your thoughts. Notice when your inner voice encourages you and when it criticizes you. For example, when you face a challenge, does your inner voice say, "I can do this," or "This is too hard for me"? Next, try to recognize where your inner voice comes from. Your inner voice is shaped by your past experiences, your beliefs, and what you have learned from others. Sometimes it repeats what others have told you, like a teacher, parent, or friend. Other times it reflects your own fears or hopes. It is important to be kind to your inner voice. When your inner voice is negative, don't ignore it or fight with it. Instead, try to understand why it is saying those things. Ask yourself, is this thought true? Is it helpful? Then gently replace negative thoughts with more positive and realistic ones. For example, change "I will fail" to "I will do my best and learn." Your inner voice can also be a powerful tool for self-awareness. It helps you understand your emotions and reactions. When you feel upset or worried, listen to your inner voice and try to find the root cause. This helps you solve problems and feel better. Sometimes your inner voice may be quiet or confusing. In these moments, try to spend time alone and calm your mind. Meditation, deep breathing, or simply sitting in silence can help you hear your true inner voice more clearly. Remember, your inner voice is a part of you. It is always with you, helping you grow and learn. By understanding and guiding your inner voice, you can improve your confidence, make better decisions, and live a happier life. In summary, the key steps to understand your inner voice are: pay attention to your self-talk. Notice if it is positive or negative. Understand where it comes from. Be kind and challenge negative thoughts. Use it to become more self-aware. Take quiet moments to listen deeply. Take time every day to connect with your inner voice. It is a valuable friend that can help you navigate life with clarity and confidence.